Hi everybody, hope you're all fine. This is ATEEQ. I once again welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Dear students, in my today's session, let me focus on B.Tech JNTUA R20 external exam model paper. So soon you people are going to write your exams, and before you are going to write your exams, you should know your model paper first. Okay, whether JNTU has done any changes in this R20 batch. Okay, each and everything I am going to discuss in my today's session. My dear students, let us see first of all, let me give an idea to you what is the time duration, how many marks you are going to write this exam for, and then part A and part B, whether it consists of short answer questions, whether it consists of long answer questions, and what about the marks division. Each and everything I am going to specify in my today's session. So first of all, while coming to the time, you people are going to write this exam for 3 hours. Okay, this is fixed one. This is the maximum time that will be given to you to write your exam, and then the maximum marks you are going to write this exam is for 70. You know that the remaining 30 marks is nothing but your internal or mid marks. So remaining you are going to write your external exam, which is for 3 hours, 70 marks. You are going to write it for 70 marks. Now the main thing, sir, in this 70 marks, how the marks are divided? Whether we have short answer questions, whether we have long answer questions? The answer is yes. Dear students, this time also JNTU has not changed the model paper compared to R19 regulation. The same paper pattern they have kept here. And how many questions will come from each unit? And what are the division of marks? Let us focus on this. So first of all, while coming to your question paper, which is for 70 marks, JNTU has given, JNTU Anantapur, what they have done is they have divided this 70 marks in two parts. That is part A and part B. These are the two parts you will get in your question paper. Part A, you will be having your short answer questions. And in part B, you people will be having your long answer questions. Okay. And for part A, the marks which are distributed are 20 marks. Whereas for part B, the marks distributed are 50 marks. So this is clear. So 20 marks for short answer questions, 50 marks for long answer questions. So if we combine them, 70 marks. Is it right? Now the next thing, sir, in part A, how many questions we will get, sir, in external exam? So dear students, you will get total 10 short answer questions here. So number 1, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the 10 short answer questions you will get in your exam. Okay. Now the total marks for these 10 short answer questions are 20 marks. So you can get clear idea that each answer, that is each answer carries 2 marks. So that's why you are getting 20 marks. Okay. Now what is the syllabus? How many units are there for each subject in your syllabus? So you will be having total 5 units. Is it right? So 5 units is the syllabus. Now, if we combine these 10 short answer questions, what happened, you people? You know that one idea here. You can guess one thing. What is that? These 5 units will be given in these 10 questions. Now, each unit, from each unit, what JNTUA will give means they will give 2 questions. So which means from every unit 2 questions. Unit 1, 2 questions. So unit 1, 2 questions. Unit 2, 2 questions. Unit 3, 2 questions. Unit 4, 2 questions. Unit 5, 2 questions. So third, fourth and fifth units, like this. Okay. But there are some cases where JNTUA may not give the questions as per this order. Okay. There is a chance that you may get 3 questions from unit 1. It depends on the person who is going to set the paper. But this is the rule that they need to follow. This is the point. Is it okay? So these are the 10 short answer questions, 20 marks. Now, while coming to the part B, which is very, very important, and here you will be having total 10 long answer questions. How many long answer questions? 10 long answer questions. We know that you question 1 20 marks, which consists of actually 10 sub questions. Then in part B, the questions are divided unit wise. So which means in unit 1, you can write second question or third question. Unit 2, you can write fourth question or fifth question. Here sixth question or seventh question. Here eighth question or ninth question. Here 10th question or 11th question. Now you people got one clarity here that we know there is no choice for short answer questions. Compulsory we need to attempt all the 10 short answer questions. Okay, whereas choice is given for long answer questions. But what about that choice? Whether it is external choice or the internal choice? It is internal choice. Internal choice means, what is the meaning of internal choice? Internal choice means from unit 1 specifically they will give 2 questions. From these 2 questions you need to answer any one. Okay, you can answer either second or third. From unit 2, you can answer either fourth or fifth. From unit 3, you can answer sixth or seventh. One doubt. Sir, can I answer second as well as third question from unit 1? Can I get marks for both? The answer is no. So, from every unit, dear students, compulsory when at the time of correction, the examiner who is correcting your paper, they will pick only one answer. No matter if you write both the answers also, but the answer which carries highest marks, that answer only will be considered. So you remember this point. So out of 2, one answer. Here also out of 2, only one answer will be considered. Here out of 2, only one answer will be considered. So finally, you need to write total 5 long answer questions from this part B. Okay, and each answer carries 10 marks. Okay, which means 5 into 10, that is 50 marks. Now, the next thing is, in these individual questions, that is second or third, there may be ABs also. Don't think that only direct question will be given for 10 marks. Sometimes what they will do, not sometimes actually, most of the times you may get A and B also. So from this question AB, from this question AB. So in those cases, A question carries 5 marks. Okay, A question carries 5 marks and B question carries 5 marks. So this is the pattern. So dear students, I believe that you got a clear picture about your external exam model paper. So which consists of 2 parts, part A, part B. Part A 20 marks, part B 50 marks. There is no choice given in part A. However, the internal choice is given in part B, that you need to look after. Okay, so I believe that you people got a clear idea. And the final point, wait for a second. What is the final point, sir? What are the pass marks here? Out of 70, how many marks I should get, sir, minimum, so that I can be declared as pass? So dear students, minimum out of 70, you need to get 25 marks. Very, very important point. So these are the pass marks. So 25 marks you need to get about 25 marks out of this 70 marks paper you need to get. Is it right? So how to get those marks, how to get those extra marks also, each and everything I have prepared separate videos in my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and watch them, and soon I am going to share many tricks with all of you. Okay, tips for the exam preparation as well as writing, so that you will get each and everything clear. Okay, so with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.